Hello everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can play Raid Shadow Legends on PC. Okay, you can PC or Mac. So now, without wasting any seconds, let's jump right into the video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. And now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is we have to install an emulator. Okay, emulators are sort of software that will let you play Android games. So that's why we need to install an emulator. It's safe, it's secure, don't worry. I found one of the best ones, I believe. Okay, so now let me show you what software emulator you have to install. Okay, so the emulator that you have to install is called BlueStacks. Okay, and here make sure you install BlueStacks. Okay, let me show you BlueStacks 5. Okay, just go on Google, write BlueStacks 5, and you're going to be able to find the first website. Make sure it's bluestacks.com and it's the official website and it's not a fake website. Okay, make sure that's very important. And then all you have to do is just to click on download. Okay, that's very important. After you reach this website, make sure you click on download. Okay, and now just click on save. I already installed it, already have the file. Now let's open this file. Now please open the file we just downloaded. Double click, yes, okay, accept. Check your system. Now I already installed BlueStacks. But it's very simple to install BlueStacks. It's just like few steps. So if you have any problems, there's something that you don't know how to do, please let me know in the comment section and I'll show you. I'll create a tutorial with how you can install BlueStacks, but it's pretty simple. I hope you'll be able to install BlueStacks. But if you have any problem, as I said, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And now after you install BlueStacks, the next step is to open BlueStacks. And now after you install BlueStacks, you should see here the Play Store, and click on Play Store. And here something very important, you won't be able to install any games from Play Store. As you can see here, we have Play Store, and here you can install any games, but you have to sign in your Google account, and then you'll be able to search for Raid Shadow Legends. Okay, and here we have the game. Okay, Raid Shadow Legends, and now just click on the install button. And now while the game is installing, we have to change a couple of settings in BlueStack. So click on this icon, select settings, and now make sure you have CPU allocation to 4 cores if you have a decent computer, and 2 if your computer is not very good, and 2 gigabytes if you have only 4 gigabytes, and if you have 8 you can leave it on 4. And now make sure here where it says display graphics, here make sure you enable preferred dedicated GPU. That's very important. And here you can just change the display the way you want. Doesn't really matter this. And now make sure to change to save changes, and then restart changes. Okay, restart BlueStack, and now wait for the game to install. It'll take a couple of minutes, depends on your internet connection. And now we just installed Raid Shadow Legends. We can play the game. So click on play and let's see if it works. And as you can see, it works without any problem. You just have to log in your account and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.